Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Lash Lift Kit is probably one of the most transformative beauty products you can find, offering a simple yet effective way to achieve luscious, lifted lashes without the commitment or cost of salon treatments or the daily hassle of mascara. This video will walk you through everything you need to know about choosing and using a lash lift kit with black tint, from understanding the different types of kits available to mastering the application process for perfectly lifted and tinted lashes. Number 5. Stacy Lash Lift Kit. Get ready to experience the magic of long-lasting, naturally lifted lashes. This kit provides everything you need for a professional quality lash lift, right at home. It's formulated with premium ingredients to gently curl your lashes, giving you a stunning, wide-eyed look that lasts for weeks. Say goodbye to daily mascara routines. This isn't just a kit, it's a complete lash lift system. It includes all the solutions, adhesives, and tools you'll need for a flawless application. With 5 pairs of lift pads, 3 lift combs, and a lift wand, you'll find the perfect fit for any eye shape and lash type. Achieving the perfect lift has never been easier. Our detailed instructions guide you through each step of the lash perming process, ensuring a successful and safe application every time. Even beginners can achieve salon-worthy results. We're here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance, our dedicated support team is ready to assist you. What we like. If you're a beauty artist seeking professional results, this kit is your best bet. It provides everything you need for a semi-permanent curl lasting 4 to 6 weeks. Its extensive tool selection ensures you achieve the best lash lift results for various eye and lash types. This makes it perfect for creating stunning, long-lasting lash lifts for your clients. What people say. Lashes stay curled for about 3 weeks. Although I have tinny lashes, it was not difficult to do it. After a few days my lashes are still up. There's no need to even wear mascara after the lift. The kit comes with different size lash fixtures so it will fit any length lash. Mine lift usually lasts about 3 months. Number 4. Libeauty Lash Lift and Color Kit. It's the secret to effortlessly beautiful lashes and brows. This innovative kit curls and colors your natural lashes, saving you time and effort. It's been rigorously tested to ensure it's gentle and safe for even the most sensitive eyes. Say goodbye to allergic reactions. This 2-in-1 kit gives you bigger, more expressive eyes. The results last up to 6 to 8 weeks, keeping you glamorous. With easy-to-follow instructions and all the necessary tools included, creating dreamy lashes is a breeze. DIY beauty has never been simpler. This kit is cost-effective and reusable. You can achieve salon-quality results at home, multiple times, for a fraction of the cost. Whether you're a man or a woman, this kit is perfect for enhancing your natural beauty. It's versatile and easy to use for all. What we like. If you value gentle, effective treatments, this kit is perfect. It's kind to your skin and lasts up to 6 to 8 weeks. Plus, you can reuse the solution multiple times, saving you money in the long run. This makes it ideal for those seeking a budget-friendly, at-home lash lift solution that's also gentle on sensitive eyes. What people say. Did my lashes on my own with this. Obviously it wasn't like getting them done professionally because I did them myself, but they turned out great and lasted for around 3 weeks. I love how many tools it came with too. I had a whole bag full of little tools to use so I could throw away the used ones and use a fresh one. This product was surprisingly nice to use. It comes with plenty of tools, brushes, eye protection patches, etc. in all shapes and sizes. The product containers are small, but you really need a minuscule amount of product each time you use it. There are plenty of instructions and photos that come with it, precautions and things like that. This was so easy and my lashes look amazing. Number 3. PERMANIA Lash Lift Kit. Get ready to experience the magic of perfectly lifted lashes and brows with our new Lash Lift Kit. It's a complete solution for achieving salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. This kit provides not just a lash lift but also a safe and effective black color treatment. It's a fantastic alternative to expensive lash extensions, giving you natural-looking, dark lashes. Achieve dark, beautifully lifted lashes and brows in minutes. You'll love the result, no mascara or extensions needed for a stunning look. Skip the costly salon appointments. This kit offers the same professional results at a fraction of the price, saving you both time and money in the long run. With our detailed, illustrated instructions, this kit is simple to use, even for beginners. You'll be a lash lift pro in no time. Everything you need is included. This comprehensive kit contains all the tools necessary for a complete lash lift and coloring treatment, making the process incredibly convenient. What we like. If you are looking for a quick and easy lash lift solution that delivers salon quality results, this is the one for you. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners, and provides everything you need for a perfect lift and tint. Save time and money by achieving professional results from the comfort of your own home. What people say. This kit comes with an assortment of tools to work with, making the entire process easier. It's easy to use and follow instructions, and like anything takes practice to glue the lashes and separate them. The entire process was easy and simple, and for a first-time user I would say they turned out so well. Number 2. Lomansa Lash Lift Kit. Get ready to experience the magic of fuller, lifted lashes and brows. This innovative kit provides salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. With Lomansa, you'll wake up to beautifully defined eyes every day. It's the secret to effortlessly stunning lashes and brows. See the difference immediately. It delivers fuller, longer-looking lashes with a glossy, voluminous look that lasts. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, this kit is incredibly easy to use. Achieve salon-worthy results with simple steps. One kit provides multiple uses, saving you both time and money. Enjoy beautifully lifted lashes for months to come. This versatile kit offers a complete lash and brow transformation. Lift, tint, and define your lashes and brows all with one product. What we like. If you desire instantly fuller, voluminous lashes, this kit is your ideal choice. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners, and provides amazing results. One kit provides enough treatments for many applications, saving you money over time. This makes it perfect for those who want a quick, easy, and affordable way to achieve gorgeous lashes. What people say. The effect lasts for 2 months. Interestingly, perming the lashes also seemed to help lift my lids. Nice bonus. The color looks great. Has lots of tools and lots of different sized eye pads. Like that the perm setting liquid were in pre-measured packets. The tint worked extremely well. I am highly impressed with the tint. Number 1. DIY Lash Lift and Brow Kit. Get ready to experience the magic of lifted lashes and perfectly laminated brows, all from the comfort of your own home. This easy-to-use kit provides everything you need for a stunning transformation. This all-in-one kit contains all the tools and solutions necessary for both lash lifting and brow lamination. No need to buy anything extra, it's all here for a complete at-home salon experience. The specially formulated lotions are gentle on your skin and easy to apply. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to beautifully lifted lashes and brows that last for weeks. Enjoy beautifully lifted lashes and brows that last for 6 to 8 weeks. It's a simple way to enhance your eyes and create a more glamorous look without the need for extensions or heavy mascara. See the difference instantly. It creates voluminous, fuller-looking lashes and brows, giving your eyes a captivating, defined look. Prepare for compliments. This kit is perfect for social gatherings. Invite your friends over for a fun DIY pampering session and save money on expensive salon treatments. It's a great way to bond and share beauty tips. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient 2-in-1 solution for both lash lift and brow lamination, this kit is perfect. The easy-to-use formula ensures a smooth application, and the results last for 6 to 8 weeks. It's a great way to save time and achieve a complete look with minimal effort. What people say. The Eyelash Lift Kit has everything you need to get the job done. It has plenty of tools to work with. The Eyelash Tint Kit also came with brushes. My favorite tool is the Y tool with pick in the end. It's very versatile. I love the step-by-step instruction card as well. It provides pictures to refer to and written instructions to avoid confusion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.